Welcome to Fox 5 News. I'm Susan, and we just got word that a new child place called Dandy's World is going to open today at 1 p.m. and this Saturday. But lots of people can't wait any longer. It will open when the clock hits 1 p.m. Live from downtown is my correspondent Tom. Tom, how is it going out there?
I'm standing over the Dandy's World place, where fantasy fun and entertainment comes to life. It says it will open at 1 o'clock today, but kids and adults can't wait any longer. Kids and adults will have lots of fun in here, and will meet a lot of tunes in this new place.
What are the tunes names that are going to be in the grand opening of Dandy's World?
I have spoken to Dandicus Dancipher, the owner of the place. The tune's name goes as follows: Astro, Boxton, Brightney, Cosmo, Flutter, Goob, Glisten, Gigi, Pebble, Poppy, Roger, Razzle and Dazzle, Shelly, Shrimpo, Sprout, Tisha, Twiddles, Tejan, and V. And I have also spoke with Dandy, that anyone who participates in the grand opening will receive 50% off of food and drinks and a Dandy's World mask. This may be a reference to the horror co-op game Dandy's World, but it's currently unknown at this time. Back over to you, Susan.
Thanks. We will be back after a commercial break.
Wow, this is the best place that we ever seen, right, Dad?
Yes, of course it is. This is the best place that we have seen. We can visit here anytime we want.
Hey, the Dandy's World mascots are in this corner. I'm going to say hi to them. Okay, Dad?
Okay. Go ahead to say hi to them. I will be watching.
Okay, I'm now going. Why are you guys different? I didn't remember seeing you guys like that. Well, anyways, do you want I give you guys a high five? Okay, I will take as a yes. Well, okay. What's happening to me? What did you guys just do to me? Dad, help me.
No.
A local area emergency has been effective for the following counties or areas: New York City, New York. Effective until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. A dangerous situation is taking place in the new place in New York City. At approximately 2:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a loud and huge explosion was been reported to explode the new place in New York City. This new place is identified as Dandy's World, a new child place for children to hang out and play with the Dandy's World characters. It is unknown who or what causes the explosion at this time, but authorities are advised to stay away from the Dandy's World place at all costs, as it's now been sent in a danger zone. The New York Police Department will look into this situation. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.